Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you never miss out on another video. I do upload twice a week, and that way you will always be notified every single time I upload a new video. Today's video is not necessarily a beauty video, it's more of like inner beauty, I would say. So this video is the law of attraction tag. I figured I wanted to do something different on my channel for you guys. I'm still gonna do the beauty videos, that's still gonna be on my channel, but I wanted to do something a little bit more personal, more one-on-one with you guys. If you guys didn't know something about me, I'm a huge believer in the law of attraction, and I wanted to kind of integrate that into my channel. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys are interested, if you're not interested, should I start up a second channel? Let me know what you guys think. So this tag was created by a YouTuber. Her channel is Living in Sync with Thais. It's something like that. She has a lot of stories, like synchronicity stories, and what that is basically like, sometimes you think that something is a coincidence, but with law of attraction, it's not really a coincidence. It's something that you have attracted, or something that lined up with you perfectly in the perfect time. She has a bunch of stories of that, and manifestation stories, a lot of information on law of attraction. If you're new to it, her channel is a great way to learn about it. And she created this tag, and as soon as I watched her video about this tag, I just got really inspired to do my own, and I will be tagging a few other people. Hopefully they do the tag too. Before I get started, let me kind of tell you guys what I believe law of attraction is. So I believe that whatever you think and whatever feelings you feel, you attract that back to you. So if you are feeling good, I believe you're gonna attract good. If you're feeling sad and down, I feel like that can kind of spiral, and you'll attract more circumstances that make you feel that way. And I also believe that where your mindset is what you're gonna attract. So if you think about money a lot in a good way, like, I feel like you're gonna attract more money is gonna come to you. If you think about love a lot, you're gonna have a lot of love in a lot of your relationships. It's a little bit of what I believe. I will get more into that throughout the video, and if you guys want more videos of me talking about things like this, let me know so I can do that, because I would really like to introduce this onto my channel. Okay, so I have all the questions written down here. There are 10 questions, and let's get right into it. Question number 1. How did you become aware of the law of attraction, or the concept of thoughts create reality, and at what age? So I became aware of this around when I was 21 years old. It was not a very good time for me. I was in a very dark place in my life because of certain circumstances that happened. And I started hearing about the book, The Secret. And my birthday was right around the corner, and my mom was like, "What do you want for your birthday?" And I was like, "I don't want anything, but I'm trying to get my hands on the book, The Secret." So my mom surprised me with the book, along with the other 2 books that went after this, which was The Power and The Magic, I believe. And this is how I was introduced to the law of attraction. It was a huge stepping stone in my life to a better life. It was a huge stepping stone to positive changes. Question number 2. What is your favorite law of attraction book or source of study? So my favorite law of attraction book, I would say, is The Secret, just because it's the easiest way you can understand what law of attraction is. But you can't just stop there. You have to go deeper. You have to explore it more. You have to study it more, read more books. What is my favorite source of study for law of attraction? Books and YouTube. Those are the 2 top ones that I become fascinated. I just start watching videos on law of attraction, and I will sit there for hours and hours and just absorb everything that I can possibly get out of it. Question number 3. What was your first deliberate manifestation that proved to you that law of attraction works? So first thing was, I tried to get my hands on the book, The Secret, and I actually received it from my mom, so it came to me. And I don't feel like that was deliberate. I feel like that was a synchronicity. But the first deliberate manifestation was, okay, so in the book, The Magic, which comes after The Secret, there's some exercises that you do just to test things out, to test out what you can manifest and how fast you can manifest it. It's a technique in there where it tells you to think about something that you want to manifest within 24 hours, something small, because then you slowly build up your confidence when you do attract that small thing into your life. So what I did is I love crows. So I wanted to manifest a crow feather. I said that within the next 24 hours, I want to find a crow's feather. Now, how I did this was I said it in my head and then I forgot about it. I said it, thought about it for a little while, and then I just forgot about it. The next day I woke up, I went into my backyard and I stepped over something black. And when I looked down, it was a crow feather. Now, I've been wanting a crow feather for a long time just because I think crows are so beautiful and there's so many stories about them. They're very mystical, magical creatures. And so I wanted a feather like to use as a bookmark. And I kept it. So this is the feather that I found and I use it as a bookmark. And it just reminds me, like, it just puts me in a good mood. Like, it puts me in a good vibration every time I look at it, just because it's something that reminds me back to when I manifest, like my first manifestation. It was small but a big deal for me. Question number 4. What advice would you give to someone new to the law of attraction? My advice would be to study it on your own. So I would say watch a bunch of YouTube videos on it. Find somebody on YouTube that you like their energy, you like what they're saying, that you click with, and that's how I do it. And then also read books. Read The Secret. Another book that I really like is The Idiot's Complete Guide to Alchemy. It's a very complicated read. Like, I had to read this a few times to understand it, but once you do understand it, like, it just, there you understand a lot about the law of attraction. Question number 5. What is your daily manifesting ritual? So every day I like to light an incense. That's number 1. And everybody's going to be different. Mine is definitely different. I light an incense. I also like to write in a gratitude journal. If I don't have a gratitude journal on me, like if I'm somewhere away, then I will do it in my head. And basically all you do is list things that you are grateful for. I've noticed that sometimes when I'm in a bad mood, nothing is helping, I will go to my gratitude journal and I will start just writing things that I'm grateful for. It instantly will switch your mood. And it's funny how it does that. I think what it does is that it makes you realize how lucky you are, at least for me. It also changes your vibration, changes your energy, and the bad mood kind of just slips away. Question number 6. Name 3 things you would love to manifest this year. So I don't like to put things out there like publicly that I would like to manifest, but for the sake of this video I will. So 3 things that I want to manifest this year. Number 1, I want to get a laptop. I want to get a laptop so that I can edit my videos wherever I go. Number 2, I want to manifest 500,000 subscribers. So right now we are at 145,000. I just received the YouTube 100,000 subscriber plaque in the mail. That was really exciting, but one of my goals is 500,000 for this year. And number 3, to manifest, I want to manifest a all expense paid, all inclusive vacation. So those are 3 things that I want to manifest for this year. Question number 7, what does your family and friends think of your law of attraction awareness? Okay, I'm a very private person. I'm a very isolated person. I don't have many friends and I don't really associate with a lot of family, but my close family, they know about my law of attraction. Sometimes they look at me crazy. I would say that they're supportive of me, which I'm very lucky that they are. Question number 8, name 3 things that you are grateful for. Okay, so number 1, I am extremely grateful for the little tiny heater that is in front of my feet right now because it's really cold and I have something to keep me warm. Number 2, I'm really grateful for all of my 145,000 subscribers. The fact that they liked what I offer on my channel, that they subscribed and they watched. So I'm really grateful for that. And number 3, I'm really grateful for the clean air that I get to breathe. So this is something that I find myself grateful for a lot because I feel like there's a lot of places out there that the air is not clean. There's a lot of pollution in the air, and I'm just really grateful to breathe clean air. And I don't know, I just feel really lucky to have that. Question number 9, what is the best law of attraction story you ever heard? The best law of attraction story I ever heard. Like, I have just a bunch of stories in my head right now, but the best one, the best law of attraction story that I've heard that like instantly pops into my head right now is of Jim Carrey. So he wrote a check to himself of like $10 million or something, and he kept that check with him all the time. And then finally, his first movie deal that he got, he actually received a check for $10 million. It's something like that. But that is one of the most inspiring stories of law of attraction. I will leave that video link down below so you guys can check it out, because he talks about it and he tells you, and the way that he tells you it manifested, it's really beautiful and it's a really inspiring story. It kind of gets you in a good mood, positive mood. It puts you in a hopeful mood. Question number 10, what is your favorite thing to do to raise your vibration? So when I'm in a bad mood, I will light an incense or a candle. That lifts my vibration. I feel like incense kind of just fills the air with the scent, and I'm really into aromatherapy. I feel like aromatherapy really helps because it instantly just changes the scent around you, and just smelling something pretty, something like lavender really calms you down. And I also will write in my gratitude journal. That raises my vibration. Something else I like to do is go outside. If I'm in a really bad mood, I will get out of the house and go outside to somewhere where there's trees or plants or fresh air. Something else I like to do to raise my vibration is watch positive YouTube videos. That instantly raises your vibration. Okay, so that is the law of attraction tag. Those are all the 10 questions that were in it. And the girl who made this tag, I will leave her channel linked down below so you guys can check her out. I want to tag 3 people in this tag too, and I'm gonna have their names right here. If you do this tag, please let me know in the comments section so that I can go and watch, because I'm fascinated by this and I really would love for you guys to do the tag too, and so I can watch it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know if you like these kind of videos. Let me know if you want me to do more of these kinds of videos, and I will. I will talk to you guys in my next video.